Let's proceed in multiplying whole numbers with two-digit multipliers. For example, 86 times 21. So we need to multiply first 86 by 1. So 6 times 1 is 6. 1 times 8 is 8. Then, multiply 86 by our second multiplier, which is 2. So 2 times 6 is 12. Carry 1. Then 2 times 8 is 16 plus 1, it's 17. Let's add our partial product. Bring down 6. 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. And then bring down 1. So the product is... Next example is 26 times 15. So we need to multiply 26 by 5 first. So 6 times 5 is 30. Then 5 times 2 is 10 plus 3 is 13. Next, multiply 26 by 1. So 1 times 6 is 6. Then 2 times 1 is 2. Let's add. So bring down 0. 3 plus 6 is 9. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. So the product is 390. Try to multiply the given number. That ends our discussion for this episode. Again, this is Teacher Cristel, and God bless us all.